Hello, everyone. My name is Carol Dow, and I wanted to say a rain prayer for the Amazon rainforest fires, which are happening right now as we speak. Um, that's it. Wanted to do a prayer. And so you can join along with me, repeat it after me, plugging in your higher power, your higher source, because this is not about different religions or deities. It is about all of us because we're all in it together. So just a little background, I do blessings and prayers for people I have come across in my travels, in my life, and I say blessings and prayers for them for any ailments, any condition, emotional, physical, mental, uh, imbalances. And so, with that being said, for the rainforest, I wanted to do a rain prayer. Um, a lot of people right now are manifesting and visualizing rain over the Amazon rainforest, and it started raining about a day or two ago. And so, what we want is more rain because it's forecasted for the next 3 to 4 days, but we want it drenched the Amazon rainforest. So, here we go. Anyone who's joining along with me or watching this after, what we're going to do is we're going to take a couple of deep breaths beforehand. So, here we go. Inhaling through your nose slowly. Holding the breath. And exhaling out through your nose. We're going to do that 2 more times. Taking a nice deep inhale in through your nose. Suspending the breath. And then exhaling out slowly, pulling in your navel. One last time. Take a nice deep inhale in. Holding your breath. And exhaling out through your mouth. At any given time, anything I say which resonates with you, allow it to be. And if it does not resonate with you and you would like to replace it with your higher power or source, please do, as we're all in this together. Mother, Mother, we ask for your forgiveness. And I ask of your assistance. The rain which is falling down over the Amazon rainforest, I ask for there to be more. I ask the heavens to open up so the clouds, more clouds can roll in. For the thunder to roll in and strike the sky, echoing across the country of Brazil, letting everyone know the magnitude of your heart and strength. I ask for every single droplet to turn into buckets, to wash down and extinguish the flames which ravage your lungs, our lungs. I ask of you to assist in pouring down more and more and more rain until there is no more flames. And I ask for you to forgive those who do not understand. When we eat our brothers and sisters, it is if we're eating ourselves. I ask for you to forgive those who do not understand the connection that we have with you. When you cry, we cry. And when animals suffer, we suffer. And I ask for you to open the eyes of those who do not understand so they can see and they can feel the pain in which you cry every single day. In God's name, amen. I personally will probably say this a couple more times tonight, because at this moment, anything that any of us do, especially the empaths, we are connected at this moment in a very, very, it's a lovely way. So we are a powerful force together. And so the more that you can visualize, believe, and say a prayer, a blessing for the fires in the Amazon right now, then it's working. So keep doing it. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Blessed be.